You're coming from part 1 of this video right here on the screen, where I showed how I made the puffs I used in creating that hairstyle. Then you are in the right place because you have found the part 2. And here I'm going to show you a very detailed tutorial on how I created that hairstyle using those puffs from those part 1. Diving directly into the tutorial, this is exactly what I am doing right here. I'm just trying to create 2 beautiful cornrows that will come forward to the face, just like this, as you're seeing in this video. This creates a lot beautiful difference from just a plain all back. Okay, so I am just trying to do 2 cornrows, and that is what I am doing right here in this video. So now I'll leave you to watch till we get to the next part.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side. Back in the sheet, only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it Close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here.
So after we are done with the cornrows coming to the front, then I will now part the hair from the ear side to the next ear side. Okay, just do a clean straight line, that's all, and then get to the front of the hair, and that is it, because we are going to do cornrows too on the front.
In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah, only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love. Just a little, take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the sea, I may never make it out. And in the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
The next step is to start styling the front of the hair. As you can see how I am parting it little by little so that the products I am using will penetrate into the hair. I am using my Gorilla gel and also my camera braiding gel. Yeah, camera braiding gel, not edge control, please, because edge control will make it white. So I'm using the camera braiding gel. I'll apply it first, then go on to apply my Gorilla gel. So you take your time to make sure that it's well flat, then use your holding spray to still hold it in. Okay, so this is exactly what you're going to do to the rest of the parts that were not cornrowed. Done with slicking it all back, then you weave the hair. So this is how I am weaving the hair, using attachments to go through it. I first of all weave the part that I styled, so I'm going to weave it all through the back, and then we move to the next step.
Welcome. Like the sun, like the sun. There will be everything, everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, can't ask for anything more. Anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
Now is the moment of truth, where we sew in our bubbles. We are done weaving the hair. As you can see from this video, I couldn't show how I did the weaving because my phone went off. That is why you can see me doing this video inside the shop instead of my former position, because I plugged my phone. I was doing this video. Okay, so all you have to do is those places that you tied the bubbles, just use that place to be your sewing point. So you're going to sew the bubbles on the weaving you made on the hair. Okay, when one part is secured very well, use your needle and thread to make sure that it's secured. Remember, this is a wig, so you have in mind that this wig will stay for a very long time, so you have to sew it in to secure it. But if you're doing this on somebody's hair, you can decide to use pins. So the tip here is, when you sew the first part, you fold like, did you see what I did in the video? Just that way. That's how you're going to do everything with the bubbles. Okay, now the first bubble I used, remember when I did this bubble from the part one? If you have not watched the part one, please go and watch it. When I was sectioning the hair for these bubbles, one was small, then the other two were big. So this is one of the big ones. Okay, I'll make sure that the big ones are in the front. After the first one, then the second big one, I will continue the line of the first big one. Okay, then the last one I'll be using is the small one, which is just to secure every part that is not covered properly. Okay, so this is just how you're going to be sewing down the hair. Make sure that it's fluffy enough. Make sure that you shift it close to each other, because if it's not close to each other, it's going to give a lot of gap and you will not like that. Sorry, excuse me. So I'm doing the front part first. Then when I'm done with the front part, if the bubble still remains, I'll turn it over to the next line. Okay, I'm just doing it line by line, so I cover all the back.
Like the sun, like the sun. There will be
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to.
Now, one tip to cover the back perfectly when you're done with the first line. Okay, remember the first line has some gaps, so when you're doing the second line, you're putting the second into the gaps that were in the first line. Okay, just like in between. Okay, if you know what is in between in ventilation, you understand this. Just you're putting the second line in between the first gap of the first line. Okay, so that's just how you're going to do it till you finish. That's it. There's no magic. It's very simple, and you just have to bring in your creative mind here.
Put it in drive. Ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. That's all the shots that you don't say. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
I forgot to tell you that if you've not subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to support me. Also note that we sell these products. If you want to order any of our products, please click on the description box. You will see a link to order from us, either through WhatsApp or through our website, because I'm trying to make it easy to order from a website, probably Shopify, and then you can order from Shopify. But before then, you can also order through our website. Just send us a DM on WhatsApp, and we are going to reply as soon as possible. I also have a YouTube channel where I post my personal life. Please support me. It's a new channel. You can just support me in that channel and subscribe so that you can see my daily vlogs and lifestyle. It's not about tutorial, it's just about my life. I'm posting it here. Okay, that's been one of my dreams, and I didn't want it to be in this page, in this channel, so I decided to create another channel for that. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're an old subscribers, thank you for being here for a long time, and to my new subscribers, please join the family and hit the notification bell to be able to get notified when I post a new video.
But you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
So this is literally what you're going to do till you finish the hair. Apply your mousse, and that is it. You can put your accessories, and this is your traditional bridal hair. It's finished. See you in my next video. Bye for now.
And then you touch, and I feel